Japan is an island nation located in East Asia. The nation is known for its advanced technology and disciplined workforce. Its position in the Pacific Ocean makes it a key player in global trade networks. Japan, as the world's third-largest economy, demonstrates substantial purchasing power. The nation serves as a gateway to Asia-Pacific markets through established trade treaties. Political stability, a transparent legal system, and the globally respected Made in Japan branding enhance its attractiveness as a business destination. Establishing a company in Japan enhances credibility for global trade and joint ventures. Japan offers access to a skilled and innovative workforce, fostering technological advancements. Strategic location, favorable tax treaties, and access to capital markets enhance funding opportunities. Foreigners in Japan can establish a Kabushiki Kaisha (KK), a joint stock company suitable for large business operations. The Godo Kaisha (GK), similar to an LLC, is another option, often preferred by SMEs and startups. Foreign companies can also establish a branch office for direct expansion or a representative office for market research. The initial step in establishing a company involves selecting a business structure that aligns with specific goals, compliance capabilities, and branding objectives. A Kabushiki Kaisha (KK) is often favored for its enhanced reputation, which can positively impact market perception and trust. A Godo Kaisha (GK) offers a more cost-effective and simpler operational structure, reducing administrative overhead and initial setup costs. The initial step in company formation involves drafting the Articles of Incorporation, Teikon, in Japanese, detailing the company's core attributes. For a Kabushiki Kaisha (KK), notarization of the articles by a Japanese notary public is required before proceeding. The final steps include registering with the National Tax Agency (NTA) and opening a corporate bank account for business transactions. Corporate tax in Japan is approximately 30%, inclusive of local inhabitant tax. The consumption tax in Japan, similar to VAT, is 10%. Dividend withholding tax is 20.42%, potentially reduced under tax treaties. Tokyo blends modern districts like Shibuya with traditional sites like Meiji Shrine. Mount Fuji, a symbol of Japan, offers stunning panoramic views, especially at sunrise. Kyoto showcases ancient temples, gardens, and cultural heritage sites, reflecting Japan's rich history. Japan uniquely blends business opportunities with rich cultural experiences, from robotics expos to tranquil onsens. Meenysa Neil International assists clients with company formation, KK or GK, and provides essential business services. The company supports business visa applications and offers cultural orientation for successful market entry. Confirm the target market before incorporating in Japan to ensure relevance. Verify sector regulations to ensure compliance with Japanese legal standards. All business activities must align with Japanese legal standards and market demands. Comprehensive Japanese language support is required for all documents and filings. Accurate translations are crucial to avoid misunderstandings during processing. Japanese language support ensures smooth processing for legal and administrative requirements. Sufficient paid-up capital is needed to meet visa eligibility requirements and secure bank approvals. Adequate capital and bank approvals are essential for establishing a business presence. Professional advisors can help navigate incorporation and compliance processes efficiently.